22 Honda CRV. I'm going to show you where the backup cam wires are and also power for the backup cam, which is not listed anywhere, so I'm going to show you. Alright, here are 24 pin plug, which is this one right here. Toward to the left, paddy facing down, toward to the left. There are red wire here. That's the video plus. And there is a green wire below that. That is a video negative. The yellow wire next to the red wire, that is a reverse wire. And I'm sorry, the yellow wire next to the red wire, that is a B plus for the cam. Reverse wire, which is a brown wire, right below this paddy right here. And that is a reverse wire for the cam. Sure. We open at 8. Yes. All right.